Manipur Students Federation MSF observed 21st October Mahiroi Singhi Numit to mark the 21st death anniversary of Pebam Chittaranjan on August 15, who self-immolated as a protest against Armed Forces Special Power Act of Afspa in 2004. Students and members of various organizations paid floral tributes to the monument of Athoba Pebam Chittaranjan Ningsing Mitam at Sega Road Takhilambam Laikai and carried out a silent rally from Kesampa to Imphal College along Imphal Airport Road. The rally carried placards demanding repeal of Afspa from Manipur while concluding with a congregation at Imphal College Jubilee Hall. Speaking on the sideline, Amuko President Nando Luwang called out Indian government over the morality and legitimacy for imposition of Armed Forces Special Power Act of Afspa in Manipur, especially in a liberal democracy like India. He questioned how more lives of youths and women will be lost due to Afspa. While recalling the sacrifice of Pebam Chittaranjan by self-immolation 21 years ago as a monumental protest against the draconian act, Nando Luwang asserted that Santa continued to impose the controversial and oppressive law even after repeated demands for its removal. Meanwhile, MSF President Hizam Roshan stated that contrary to the spirit of freedom, Afspa was imposed in Manipur on 8 September 1980 and continued to persecute innocent civilians in the state. He stressed the need to unite and stand together against the law.
Chittaranjan na hariba ngasideni sahi kunma thugi mamangda masana masabu mai thajaraga adugumba Afspa gi mayok de khongjung changjalagra bawda Bharat Sarkar na ta die gumba atu ba Bharat ki leibak si longmi yamana siba matamda another karigumba ma irang ama to matamda Bharat ki miyam na Bharat Sarkar na khanaraga adugumba khongpam hantu eba adugumba Chittaranjan na masada mai thajaraga Independence Day nimita adugumba koi mathwai thawajalaga mathangi nimit rang da tukda sigi bedo aduk chawba wakat amba Pira Pauda Bharat Sarkar and Sipawa, Kankin was another Labiduna. I see Manipura, I Akwagi Afspa, them Saturday lady. I quite Manipurimiam and see hanging Wahangdi. Kayam Queen Afspa, Matinja, with Pigi Duino.
Manipur and Sipota, Ampo Supreme Court Act Tamzalak Livasi, 1980, September, Nipan, the Tamlakpa, Sahi Sang at Tamlaklaba, Egg Amakani. Masida Lalhogi Minda, Miam, Yang Kunsil Longcre. Mayum the Paraga talk, Mayum the Paraga Pukraba. Miyoi Kiamagi Langang Langsing Nasibu Kangidana Lake Crabney. Masigum Labatam Tigraba Egasia, Eco Himinari Bapuruk Kudimak Amaga Tidana, Leminaba Sangi, Ambo is Empor Egg Abse, Manipur, the Pulo Lok Tonava, Eco Kudimaki Togang Lay.